Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah. On this Maintenance Monday, I'm going to talk to you about generators. Join me. We have noticed recently a lack of understanding of how the generator on your Atlas or Interstate model is supposed to be utilized. Your initial break-in period for the generator should be as such. You run it for 2 hours at half load and then 2 more hours at 3/4 of load, and now your break-in period is completed. Then you go to the 20-hour mark and you need to change the oil at 20-hour mark. Every 4 hours of operation or twice a day, you should check the oil level to verify that it's still good. And then after your initial 20 hours of oil change, every 150 hours of running time after that is when the oil needs to be changed again. Different generators require different things, so please consult the owner's manual for your model specifically to know when to change air filters, oil filters, everything else kind of filter, and service your system appropriately. But consult your owner's manual. In the Atlas, checking everything is pretty simple. The panel comes off here. You have your oil dipstick right here. You can see your fuel filter and a couple other items. Really easy to get to here. But in the Interstate models, it's a little bit different. Let's go check one of those out. So I'm down here underneath an Interstate. You can see the spare tire area and you can see the generator here. So this is a Interstate 24, so there's plenty of room back here. The Interstate 19, it is much more difficult and much tighter space. The panel comes off right here. You just do this and pull this panel off and you're able to access your oil gauge level and all the other maintenance things you require for that specific generator. Again, using your generator is something you should do pretty often. If you are taking your rig out for the week or weekend, something like that, run your generator and put it on a load. Your owner's manual will tell you that it's best to run it for at least 2 hours per month and run it at half load during that 2-hour block. And it says it's best to run it for a continuous 2 hours vice, a little short 20-minute spurts or something like that. If you keep up with the maintenance on your generator, it will last you a very, very long time. And again, make sure you exercise it often. Consult your owner's manual or give us a call and we will gladly walk you through all the steps here. Have a great day, everyone. Happy adventures.